morning, afternoon, evening from our house. Today I'm making cauliflower steaks with harissa and goat's cheese. So first of all, we're going to take off the greens from the cauliflower. We only need one cauliflower for this recipe. We put the greens in a baking tray. We're going to bake it with the cauliflower and it turns out very nice afterwards. This is a one tray bake, so it's very easy if you want to do it quickly. If you want smaller bits of leaf, then you can just break it in half. Just make sure to wash the cauliflower before breaking up the leaves and cooking it. Once you've taken off as much leaf as you can put it in a baking tray and put oil, onions and salt and mix it all together. So now I've got the harissa and I'm going to rub it on the cauliflower steaks. Some of the steaks did break up, but that's fine because you can just still rub it with the harissa. So here it is in the tray with all of the onions and leaves. So then we add the goat's cheese, pine nuts, and the breadcrumbs. Check out for the next video for the final product.